losing my concentration here. Don't know how to multitask. In order to lean a dirt bike, it's easiest to use your hands in addition to your body and your feet, but it's your hands that's going to make the most difference. And so if I'm taking a left-handed turn, I'm going to be pushing down, kind of like down and out to do that left-handed turn. And the slower and tighter the turn, the more the handlebars are going to have to be turned. But when you're doing higher speed cornering, so like 15 miles an hour and above, or even 10, the handlebars really aren't going to be turned that much. You're going to be almost straight, and if you're like going around a flat corner, they're probably going to be turned a little bit to the right depending on how much throttle you give it. But it's that initial move with your hands, you're pushing them in to get that lean, and then you're just kind of keeping your body more upright depending on how fast you're going. So for a slow turn, pushing the handlebars in and turning the handlebars to the left. But then I'm also using my body to counterbalance. So I'm going left with the bike, but my body is on the right side of the bike. And just for a flat corner, I'm going to be pushing in with the handlebars. So you can use your feet to make the bike turn, but it's so much easier to just push the handlebars when you want it to turn. And the slower you go, the more you actually have to turn the bars in addition to pushing on them. So like when I come into the corner, I'm just pushing with my left hand to lay it down a little bit, and then just letting the bike come back up by itself using the throttle. And this quick tip was brought to you by my virtual dirt biker school. So if you want to learn to ride with control and confidence off-road on the trails in the bush, head to motocrosshideout.com or the link in the description below to get some more tips and techniques on using your body efficiently to stay in control. This is Kelly from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.